Good evening to everyone. My name is Eva Peering. I'm honored to share our family story with you all. As a proud parent of four Marilac Academy graduates, Kimberly, class of 2005, John, class 2006, James, class of 2007, and Brittany, class of 2015. I, I am delighted to reflect on our journey and how being members of the DMA community has impacted our lives. I was born in the Philippines and in 1981 migrated to the United States when I was 16 years old. Coming to the US was a big shift for me and my four siblings. However, I followed my mom's advice to live simply and stay grounded, finding a new home in San Francisco. After moving to the city, I started working at the movie theater as a box office attendant, where I met a young man named Michael. Michael, who worked at the battery maintenance facility in Livermore at that time, asked me out shortly after I started working. We married 2 years later and recently celebrated our 35th marriage anniversary. In 2000, Kimberly, our oldest, was about to graduate from fifth grade, which prompted an important conversation about our children's future. We yearned to provide them with exceptional education, ideally in nearby Catholic school. However, financial constraints seemed overwhelming. Thankfully, Father Louis Vitale, OFM, the pastor at St. Boniface, announced the establishment of a new middle school right next to the church. This unexpected announcement will send us on a path that will forever change our lives. We told Kimberly about DMA, suggesting that she could join the second class of incoming sixth graders. DMA's rigorous daily schedule from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m., an extended school year, would require her to be in school longer than she was previously used to. Coupled with leaving her old friends and forming new friendships, Kimberly was initially hesitant. Nevertheless, she decided to give it a try for a year. As it turned out, Kimberly thrived at DMA. Among the rigorous academics, she was encouraged and empowered to explore her interests in a variety of ways. One particular project she enjoyed was the stock market project, where students learn about how the stock market works by pretending to buy and sell stocks. She also got to practice designing architectural blueprints of her home during art class. Kimberly's positive experience inspired her siblings to attend DMA as well. I'm truly grateful for the support my children receive at D. Marilac. To Miss Carol, Mr. Armenek, and Mr. Daniels, thank you for your dedication to DMA and making such a positive impact while our children attended. I will also like to thank the current faculty, staff at DMA for their work in continuing the mission of this school. After graduating from DMA, Kimberly, James, and Brittany attended Sacred Heart Cathedral Preparatory, while John attended Woodside High School. They have each found their homes in their respective careers, from design to accounting, law, and service in the military. I always giving my children the freedom to choose their own path after high school. I wanted them to follow their own dreams based on their talents, gifts, and what's truly in their hearts. The theme "We Walk Together" beautifully sums up our family journey with DMA. We have continually supported the school, knowing how much it has impacted our lives and the lives of countless students. As a family, we are committed to the DMA community and its goals. In closing, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to DMA for providing our children with an exceptional education and a strong foundation for their future. We are proud to be here and look forward to continuing this journey with all of you. Thank you.